Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix mouse legs in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to fix mouse legs in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on Start, type here Settings, open Settings, click on Devices. After click on Mouse, here option, scroll invert Windows when I have your theme. So if you want to enable slash 2, if disable the slash 2 of position. If you want to enable slash 2 on position. Exactly. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix mouse legs in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching.